because they will most likely appear in perspective drawings. I also want to make sure that I know how to sketch basic patterns that you see on houses. I personally don't know all of them, but I definitely use a lot of brick patterns and stones. I just feel like they add more detail. But if you know any that you see on houses and stuff that you want to actually incorporate in your final drawing, then by all means, you should definitely practice that. Major step before drawing your real copy is to kind of sketch a brief idea of the shape overall that your drawing will probably be. It doesn't matter if it isn't perfect because this is not going to be a final copy, but I don't like to really freehand it and just like draw whatever on the real copy, because if I end up not liking it, it is so just horrible erasing the entire thing. So instead, I like to have a brief idea before I do it so that I can actually sketch the real shape onto the paper. Now I use the suggestion of the circles and trace it onto the real layout paper. This is the part where I kind of freehand it, but I already know sort of an idea of what I'm going to be drawing. So I fill in the details and just sketch out the full thing. Finally, the last step is to outline your drawing with marker or pen. I use both. And this is the part where I actually add in a lot of detail, and you'll see that in the following clips.